Get a feel for the 2010 Toyota Tundra. This vehicle still has fewer than 250,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. You deserve a ride that was designed with your needs in mind. The time is right to take advantage of the technology, performance, and creature comforts this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, multi-zone AC, rear-wheel drive, stability control, locking limited slip differential, pass-through rear seat, traction control, intermittent wipers, split bench seat, tire pressure monitoring system. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.